Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can access Google Street View, so let's get right into it. Now, accessing Google Street View goes the same way for both the web version and the mobile version, or pretty much the same way. So let me show you exactly how that is done. So firstly, I'm going to pick a city in the USA. So for example, let's say New York. And I'm going to zoom all the way in. You don't need to zoom all the way in, but this is just easier to see a street where you want to activate Google Street View. So once you're here, you're going to select any location you would like. So for example, let's say Brooklyn Bridge. Brooklyn Bridge most likely does have Street View, and as you can see, yes, it does. So once you click on a location or tap and hold if you're on mobile, you'll be able to access Street View from this button right over here. However, there is a second way on the PC, and that is if you want to see exactly where Street View is available, you can hover over this sort of guy right here, click and drag him over here, and as you can see, the blue lines denote exactly where the Street View car has passed, and all you have to do is just drag and drop onto the green area right below, and that's gonna show you exactly where you want to be. And that is pretty much it. From here, you can then access the minimap over here to better see where you can go using Street View, and possibly just switch to another location just by clicking or tapping it. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. It's very easy. As I mentioned, the process is pretty much the same for both platforms, so there's pretty much nothing else to add. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.